Video I'm going to be showing you how to set up a traffic ads on Facebook and how you can actually do this to get the best result for your business. Now, I recorded a video last week, and what does this video entail? This video entails how you can my last week video entails the uses of running ads on Facebook using a website. Like, why should you run ads on Facebook using a website? And also I discussed the reason why you should run ads using a website on Facebook, and I also discussed what you will get when you run ads without a website. So which one is the best? So if you have watched that video, you actually understand the reason why you should always consider using a website for your business. But though, if you don't have a website, this video covers you. And if you also have a website, you might need to check this video out, watch it to the end, so you can understand what it entails and how you can actually use this even while you are making use of a website. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, what you want to do is to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button as well, so YouTube can show this video to a lot more people, and also this channel keeps growing as well, and this is a way of giving back to the channel. So thank you very much, guys, for always supporting me. I really appreciate me and the channel rather. I really appreciate that. So to create a traffic ad, what you want to come is click on this create button. As soon as you click on the create button, the next thing you do is to select traffic. And what does the traffic objectives mean? That means you want to generate a lot of attention to a destination. I explained a couple of things in my last video, and I explained what a destination is. We have a website, app. Can you see it here? Okay, hold on. Can you see it here? Website, app, Facebook event. They are all called what? Conversion destination. Now, and they told you this is good for probably you need more link clicks, you need more landing page views, and you want to generate traffic to Messenger or WhatsApp, or you want to get more calls. The traffic ads is always the best to use. Show you what I'm saying now. So what you want to do next is click on continue. So once you click on continue, I told you name your campaign, and by naming your campaign, I do suggest you add dates to it so you can understand when you start running that campaign. So let's say we are doing this as digital marketing lab tutorial. Okay, tutorial. Then we add date to it. Today is 29/10. So we add date to it. Then you can as well copy. The reason why I do add date to my ad is so as to know the day the ad starts running as well, and this helps you to like organize your campaigns. Are you getting my point now? So with this, you could be able to say, okay, this ad is already running for 7 days, and this is the results so far. So it's just more like organization, and it's very important when you are trying to like make sure everything is arranged on your ad account. So after naming all your campaign, name your ad set, name your ads. This is how I do mine. Are you getting my point now? So once you get here, you don't have anything to do at the campaign level than to create a name for your campaign. Then as soon as you are done with that, what you want to do next is click on create. I'm trying to take this away. Oh man. Yeah, so click on create. So once you click on next, rather, I said create, you click on next. So as soon as you click on next, it's going to take you to the ad set level. The ad set level is where you are going to select your conversion location, and also this is where you are going to select the audience, and this is where you are going to input the amount, the placement. What do I mean by placement? Placement is that probably you want your ads to run on Facebook only, you want your ads to run on only Instagram, or you want your ads to run on audience network. What are examples of audience network? These are ads you see on other platforms aside from Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. Are you getting my point? Any ads that you see on on all of these mobile apps. Are you getting my point now? Sometimes some advertisers on Facebook run their ads on other audience networks that are in partnership with Facebook. Are you getting my point now? This is just to get more reach, and also some advertisers use it for what we call retargeting and remarketing. So what you want to do next is this. After selecting your conversion location, select websites. So once you select websites, you go on, and I do suggest for my ads, I do like start with 1,200 naira. Are you getting my point now? Because it's still going to pass through the learning phase. Are you getting me? And I'm still going to be recording more videos on how to split test your ads so you can get the best results. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe so you can get the video. The video will drop by next week Wednesday. You are going to see that video. So smash the subscribe button so you can be updated once I drop that particular video. Now let's go on, guys. So I could have used a saved audience, and I will suggest, if you don't know much about audience targeting, I get to my point now. Watch some of my videos on the channel on how to select the best audience, or you can even start with zero audience targeting. Now, zero audience targeting means you are not targeting anybody, you just want to see how your ad is going to perform. But I don't really suggest this, because as an advertiser, you need to understand people who are going to be interested in what you are offering, and not just be doing zero targeting. Though some people have their reason in using zero targeting, and also some people have their reason why they are not using zero targeting. It just boils down to what you want and what is gonna work for you. Now let's go on, guys. So let me select one of the save audience I have here. I have explained a lot about audience targeting and how I do my audience targeting. So let me select this. So once I select this, for my ads, I do target from age 22 to age 30 or age 35. I get to my point now. And this boils down to what your customer avatar is. Who are you selling your product for? If your product are for young people, then know their age and select their age. Know their interest, input their interest here, and the location. Are you targeting Nigerian city, or you are targeting Nigeria as a whole? I get to my point now. You can do this on Facebook. So once you are done with your audience targeting, make sure you have set your audience before you start creating campaign. I don't really suggest you come in here and start selecting your audience. I don't really do that. So go to audience, or you just click here and click audience, open it in new tab, and go there and do your audience settings. Then so you can come back here and click on save audience. So in your save audience, it's going to be showing the audience you went to your audience setting to do. Then you just select it the way I selected this one. So now let's go on, guys. So your manual placement, it is important to select where your ads to show. Don't give Facebook that capacity to run your ads for you and show it anywhere. No. You can't track results that way. I get to my point now, and this is how I do it. I remove this. I don't even like running my ads on Facebook. I get to my point now. Then I'll select Instagram feed. I start with Instagram feed. So people start with Facebook feed. I get me, but so far since I've been doing this, it has always been giving me a better result. And the time I even use Facebook for one of my campaign, I really don't like what I generated. I get to my point now. Some people will get the better result, and it's something we do, always optimize our results every time. But for me, I've seen that selecting the Instagram feed works for me, and it's very easy for me to like scale up and get more results. I get to my point now. So I suggest you can start with Instagram feed or the Facebook feed. But if you are running traffic ad, start with Instagram feed. I get to my point now, because I feel like you get more quality leads when you are running ads using traffic objective and selecting Instagram feed to run your ads. Because when you are selecting Facebook feed to run a traffic ad, the result is not going to be like you can't compare the results when you are using Instagram feed. Why did I say so? Because now the bond between running ads from Facebook, because Facebook, you need to make sure you are filtering your leads before they get to your destination. How do you filter your leads? You must use a landing page. And if you are not using a landing page with traffic ads, you don't need to like use a landing page. It's not compulsory. I get my point. You can just send them to your WhatsApp straight. And if you are doing this on Facebook, it's not going to give you the best result, because some people don't actually have that data to connect to websites, but they are making use of free Facebook, and also they have a subscription for WhatsApp, and it will be very easy for them to like connect to you on WhatsApp, and they only shown interest doesn't mean they have the purchasing power to get your product. They don't even have the data to even like go to a website if it was a landing page you are using. So but on Instagram, for you to be on Instagram, it shows that you have that like capacity, you have that subscription. Because on Instagram, I remember back then when I still don't know anything about internet marketing, but like when I do like 200 MB on my phone, like if I enter Instagram like this, I will not even use like 30 minutes. So Instagram helps you to like filter those people you don't want, and at the end of the day, before the person will even see your ad save, the person's data has been exhausted. So it helps you get top-notch leads into your DM, your WhatsApp DM. So I do suggest you use Instagram feed. That's my own suggestion and my experience so far. So don't come and carry me for that. So I'm just sharing like my own insights, what I've been able to like learn so far. So after selecting your placement, you optimize for link clicks. Then what you want to do next is to click on next. Now we've reached 50% of the work. And once you get to this point, what you want to do is to select the page you want to use to run. You don't even need to use an Instagram account now if you don't have any. Like for me, so like 80% of my ads that I've been running on Instagram for my personal brand, I don't have Instagram page for it. That's just it. I run my ads on Instagram without an Instagram page, and it makes sense a lot for me. I get to my point now. So it's something you can try out as well. So once you are done with that, add your video, add your media, probably your copy as well. Add your copy. I get to my point now. You really don't need to add anything in headline because this is not Facebook. If it's Facebook, you need to add something in your headline. So add your primary text and add your video. As soon as you are done adding that, then come down here and put in your website URL. How do you get the website URL? What is your conversion location? My own conversion location is WhatsApp. I'm bringing them to my WhatsApp DM, and that's where I generate a lot of leads to my WhatsApp. So I create a short link for my WhatsApp using Walink, wa.link. So after creating this short link, what I do is I copy this short link and I paste it here. I get to my point now. Make sure you are not using Bitly. Facebook don't like it. All these link short now, Facebook don't like it. But you can use Walink. I've tested Walink. I'm using Walink. I get to my point now, and they are approving my ads. But if you are using Bitly, Facebook won't approve it. They might tell you grammar error. They might tell you URL issue and stuff like that. I get to my point now. But when you use Walink, it's very easy. Just click on create a free Walink, then put in your phone number here, then put in a custom message. Hi coach, I would like to know more. I would like to know more about your business model. My name is. So put in your number here, then click on generate my Walink. So it's going to generate your Walink for you, then you copy it and paste it here. So as soon as you paste it here, you've added your images and copy, then you click on what? Publish. As soon as you publish your ads, it's going to go live in less than 24 hours or more. Like within a space of 24 hours, your ad is going to be live, and you can start getting quality leads from Instagram to your DM. I get to my point now. This is how I've been doing it. Though Instagram is kind of expensive when you are running ads, but I feel like you are getting the best when you are running ads from Instagram. That's just it. Compared to like Facebook. Some people say Facebook is old method, Facebook is this, but a lot of people are generating a lot of money on Facebook. I get to my point now. A lot of people are generating a lot of money on Facebook and also on Instagram. Me, I'm generating my own money. I'm generating my own leads from Instagram. I get to my point now. So it's just more of you trying to like test, okay, let me test Facebook for this offer. Let me test Instagram for this offer. Which one converts more? Whichever one converts more for you, stick with it. I get to my, and avoid the whole lot of noise in the space. So once you click on publish your ad, then your ads goes live. So guys, if you find this video helpful, do well to smash the like button so YouTube show this video to a lot more people. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my updates at any point in time. Guys, subscribe. It's very important. Let's grow the channel together. I really do appreciate you coming back to watch my video. If you're watching my video for the first time, I really love you. If you have any question, do well to contact me on WhatsApp, and also you can also join my marketing community on Telegram for free without paying a dime for now. I don't know, it might be paid later, so that's why you need to join now. Ask me any question on the channel. I'm going to give you a response. So if there is any update I feel like I should always drop, trust me guys, I do drop them back to back. Also share my channel with all Facebook advertisers, business owners, so they can always learn more about how they can promote their business using Facebook ads. Thank you very much guys for helping me and helping my channel. I really do appreciate, and I promise to always bring top-notch content across your way on YouTube. So guys, thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.